So first thing first, this is what the dashboard looks like. I'm going to take us through the process from the first. So here you're just going to type this ednightsacademy.com here, then allow the page to load, and then this is what we have here, right? So these are of this. So we're going to go to this image here. So this I already logged in, so but I'm going to log out. So if you're first timer, you would what the page is going to look like for you. So click here, down here. This is your this is my profile. This is what my profile looks like. So first I will log out, right? And then log in again. So you see what this is going to look like. So this is my password. If I'm a first timer here, what I will do is either continue with Google and then sign up with my email, or I will just have to come here and sign up. Then enter your necessary details. It's a very easy one to navigate, and then you have your account. So once you log in here, this is what your dashboard looks like. So here is your dashboard, and then this is me as a student, just like you can see here. So you're seeing Chamaka here, and beneath it is a student, where you have your total courses, active courses, completed courses, pending, CBT text, active courses, and then the list goes on and on here. So yeah, we have started CBT practice test, which you can, but if you've not subscribed, you are only entitled to choose between 3 years and then 10 questions, right? So, but this I've done it before, and that's why I don't have access again until I subscribe. Then browse new courses, and here when you come to the new courses, you're going to see the STEM courses, which is the different subjects, and then here we have professional courses, which will be updated later on. So let's go back here. So the reason for this video is that we want to see how to subscribe, right? So when you come here and you see your dashboard, your CBT dashboard, my courses certificate, my wallet, payment history, just go down to subscriptions here and click on subscriptions. So here for this CBT, that is 3,000 naira just for 30 days per person, one individual. So it's just 3,000 naira for one account, 10,000 naira for one account, but here is for a year. And then this 280K is for 1 year, but it's for just 100 students. So you just come there and subscribe. So I want to run us through the packages, and then I'll run us through how we can go about it. Okay, let me take it back. 3,000 naira is for one student for 30 days, 10,000 naira for a student for a year, and the 280K package. Remember, this all these are on discount, 72% off, and this is for 300 students for 1 year, and then 145 here is for 100 students for a year, and then this 1 million naira plan, this a 1 million naira plan, is a one-time payment. But let me finish up with this one, then I'll talk about this the million naira plan. Then the 50,000 naira plan is for just 20 students for a year. So let's say you have students you're working with, so you can decide to subscribe for them. If they're just 20, you subscribe. But this 1 million naira plan is called institutional plan. Literally every plan here is an institutional plan. So for the 1 million naira plan, it's a one-time payment. So once you pay, you are not paying again. You're not subscribing the next year. You're not subscribing the next 2 years. You're not subscribing even the next 3 years. It's just a one-time payment. And how do you go about the subscription? So let's start with, you can choose any of this. So let's say I want to subscribe for this individual one. So once I click on the subscription button, CBT subscription, continue to payment. So you either pay with your card or pay from wallet. So but we're going to try both. So now the wallet here is if I already have money in my wallet, but since there's none, I can decide to pay with card here, and then let's see. It's going to take me to pay stack. And let's wait a little for it to load and see what we would have there. So here, pay without access your saved card. So then this is this. You can try to pay this and then enter your card details, or you can say use other method. So let's see this. You can scan and then pay. That's if you're using Zap. If you're going to use a card, you enter your card details. Then if it's transfer, let's see for transfer. Something that I feel it would be much easier for us over here. So you just copy the details, the account number, send in the money, and then once you see now for this account number, you just have 30 minutes to make the transfer, the transaction. Once that is done, you come here and say you sent the money. Then let's see for bank. You choose you come here to the point down arrow and choose any bank of your choice, and then process with the payment. Is a very easy one to navigate. So here you have different banks. So let's say I'm working with this. So you enter your account details, and then here I think you will just have to update your link it to your wallet, so that way whenever you want to subscribe, you just subscribe with your wallet. Remember initially we have pay with card and pay with your wallet. So once you've done this, you can easily pay with your wallet. Then this is USSD, and then while we wait for this, so if you're transferring to our GT, you do this, and then this is PayAttitude. Enter your registered phone number and then continue with your payment. Then OPay. If you click on this, let's say it will have to connect to your bank. So and that is that. But since I'm using, it's going to take our time. But the good thing about this is that it's a very easy one to navigate. So whichever way you want to go, you can do that. So let's close this, and then remember that whatever way you can, maybe card or transfer will be an easy one for you, or OPay will be an easy one for you. You choose whichever one that is an easy payment route for you. Once subscription is done, you come here and see that you've subscribed. You go back to your dashboard. If you go back to your dashboard, it's going to show you that you subscribed, and then that way you can have access to the different number of years available, the different subjects, the different exams available, JAMB, WAEC, NECO, and the list goes on and on. And you're not limited to any number of year, you're not limited to any number of questions. Just give you access. The 3,000 naira on is just for 30 days. It's a 30 days plan. Then I remember it's just one account. You can't give any other person access to the account. The one for the 10,000 naira is 1 year, and it's just an individual account. And then the other lists are individual lists which have different numbers like I listed earlier. So I'm just going to take us through it again. I already mentioned 3,000, 10,000. 280 is for 300 students for a year. 145 is for 100 students for a year. 50,000 is for 20 students for a year. And the 1 million naira plan is for 500 students for a lifetime. So if I'm you, I will jump on this offer and subscribe. Thank you.